Now this is ink pump. I want to dismantle the ink pump now because it's having bearing problem, so that I remove the bearing and change its new one. So I've removed the impeller cover using my gripping plier to hold this so that I remove the impeller. So this is the impeller. On top of that thing that looks like fan, that is the impeller. This is the gripping plier. It's a anti-clockwise rotation. So if you are tightening is losing is tightening. Then now I have to disassemble it using spanner 10 to lose this bolt. Yes, my people, I don't see them now. This is how we roll every day. Remove the gear from the up. So this is the shaft. This bearing now is not good. The bearing has spoiled. So I need to remove this bearing too. Small tapping. I just remove it. And the bearing is no more okay. Remove the bearing. Yeah, I need to go to store. Yeah, this is my friend, Mr. Wifo. Yes, that's our storekeeper. I want to collect bearing 6004. So this is the bearing section. So bearing 6004. Yeah. And then bearing I need two bearing. 6004. Man, this place they chill though. Like I relax more, cool off my head before I enter inside workshop. Yeah, this is 6004. That's the bearing. And just two there. So look at the old bearing. The old bearing has the stem number 6004. 6004. Yes, that's the same number. So let me chill off your head. You like bones, confirm. Yeah, chill off because here they chilled. Chill off. I enter workshop again. I continue my work because there is no time. On the enter workshop, these two bearing now. Remove it from the packets and fix it so that those operators will come and carry their wahala and go. Yes. So I have to do it fast. Okay. Now add small grease on the bearing. Apply small grease on the bearing. This apply small grease on the bearing there. Apply it on that bearing housing. Fix the bearing there. Use hammer, tap it, pam, to enter. Yes, we use a hammer, tap it, pam. Yes. That thing, that fix the shaft. Is going, so I need to apply small grease on the shaft body so that we move freely. Lubricate it small, then fix it. Okay. Use more. Yes, there is small little cover under that shaft. I need to put it there and fix the shaft. Carry my hammer, hit it, pam. Not big hitting, just small tapping. Pam, so that if you enter, because if you hit it too much, that head will spoil. Small tapping, entered. Rotate, yes, rotating, yes, my guy, rotating. Okay, put shaft. Yes, the second bearing before that cup. Second bearing. Yes. Apply small grease on that shaft. Apply on the bearing. Then you fix it. Okay. You fix it. Then yes. Always be clean. Your rag must be there. You clean your hand. Okay. You tap it. Pam. Let it enter. Let it enter. Then you put your cup. Then you tap it. Let it enter well. Tap it. Just small tapping because of the that bearing somehow fragile. If you tap it too much, boy, it will spoil. And those Indians will come and ask you, what doing? Okay, yes, we put on the cap. Just to tie the cup now. To tie the cup, after tightening the cup, we couple it very well. Now, after tying the cup, now is to yes, I've replaced the propeller. Then to tight it, remember what I said before. Clockwise is losing, anti-clockwise is tightening for this propeller. So it's anti-clockwise. I'm tightening it using my gripping plier to hold the shaft so that we will not move. Okay. So when you're holding it, try and make sure that you are always careful so that you don't wound yourself. Good. Because that propeller is shaft. That propeller is sharp. So after tightening the propeller, you couple it very well. So when you couple the propeller, okay, I'm done. This is the 3 pump that I did today. The 3 pumps for the ink pump. So let the operators come and carry it. Chicken, that's all. Thank you for banking with us.